Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional worker should have in their arsenal, the DEWALT 20V Max Blower for Jobsite Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes this blower stand out. The DEWALT 20V Max Blower is designed to tackle a variety of tasks, from clearing leaves in your garden to cleaning up debris on a construction site. It's a cordless leaf blower that combines convenience with power, making it an excellent choice for anyone who needs mobility and efficiency. The kit comes with a battery and charger included, allowing you to get started right out of the box. One of the most important features of this blower is its maximum airflow of 100 cubic feet per minute, or CFM. This level of airflow means that it can handle most outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you're dealing with dirt, leaves, or other lightweight debris, the DEWALT blower is up to the challenge. Another key feature is its 3-speed variable speed switch, which gives you control while you're in use. This means you can adjust the power depending on your specific needs. For instance, if you're simply blowing light leaves off your patio, you can use a lower speed, whereas tougher jobs can benefit from the higher settings. Adding to the convenience, the blower includes a variable speed trigger that allows you to adjust the blowing power in real time. This feature is particularly useful when you need precision, such as when you're cleaning around delicate plants or when you want to avoid blowing dirt onto your freshly cleaned surfaces. Let's not overlook the lightweight and compact design of the DEWALT blower. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it's easy to maneuver, making it a great option for extended use without causing fatigue. The trigger lock-on feature also helps to reduce user fatigue by allowing you to maintain continuous airflow without having to hold down the trigger constantly. This is a game changer for longer tasks. The airspeed reaches up to 135 miles per hour, making it powerful enough for various applications. This high airspeed, coupled with its compact design, means that you can easily use it in tighter spaces where larger blowers might struggle. Whether it's the area between your garage and fence or a small patio, this blower can get the job done efficiently. So, who is this blower suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, easy-to-use tool for yard maintenance. It's also a great fit for contractors and landscapers who need a lightweight, portable blower for job sites. Whether you're clearing up after a big project or maintaining your property, the DEWALT 20V Max blower is designed to cater to a variety of needs. Practical use cases for this blower are endless. You can use it to quickly clear leaves off your driveway or sidewalk in the fall, blowing away dust and debris from your outdoor furniture in the spring, or even cleaning up sawdust and other materials on construction sites. With its versatility, this blower can really make outdoor cleanup a breeze. In conclusion, the DEWALT 20V Max Blower for Jobsite Kit is a powerful, versatile tool that excels in various outdoor cleaning tasks. Its combination of high airflow, adjustable speed, lightweight design, and battery-powered convenience makes it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleanup efforts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.